Hi there, and welcome back to Food Facts for You. Today we uncover the intriguing mysteries behind the colorful world of bell peppers. We delve into the captivating story of these versatile vegetables, exploring their historical origins and the astonishing relationship between their vibrant hues and diverse flavors. To understand the fascinating tale of bell peppers, we journey back in time to the ancient civilizations of Central and South America. Bell peppers, also known as capsicums, have a rich history rooted in these regions, where they were revered for their culinary significance. The ancient Aztecs and Mayans valued peppers not just for their flavors, but also for their medicinal properties. These peppers evolved from wild varieties into the sweet and colorful specimens we know today. During the Age of Exploration, European explorers, like Christopher Columbus, encountered peppers in the Americas and introduced them to Europe. Initially cultivated for their striking colors, bell peppers gradually became an integral part of European cuisines, spreading their influence across the continent. Now, on to the intriguing relationship between the colors and flavors of bell peppers. Despite originating from the same plant species, bell peppers come in a mesmerizing array of colors: green, red, yellow, orange, and even purple. And here's the wonder: each hue offers a unique taste experience. The transition from green to orange in bell peppers signifies a ripening process. As they mature, the peppers accumulate natural sugars, resulting in a sweeter and more fruity taste compared to their green counterparts. The yellow bell pepper, a delightful balance between sweet and tangy. Maturing from green to yellow, it accumulates more natural sugars, presenting a milder, sweeter taste. Its sunny disposition on the palate brings a subtle sweetness perfect for various dishes. The fully ripened red bell pepper, boasting the highest sugar content, its rich, sweet taste is almost akin to a fruity flavor. The process of ripening on the vine enriches its taste, making red peppers ideal for roasting, grilling, or simply enjoying raw for a burst of flavor. From the tangy zest of the green to the sun-kissed sweetness of the yellow and the vibrant sweetness of the red, each bell pepper, though from the same plant, offers a unique flavor journey. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration of bell peppers. The colorful spectrum of flavors in these remarkable vegetables showcases the wonders of nature's palate. Stay tuned for more fascinating food facts on Food Facts for You. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we will see you next time. Bye.